Hi guys, do you still having problem upload custom files to WordPress media library? We are here to add custom file format support to WordPress media library. Search WP add MIME type, then install and activate this plugin. Then go to settings, then MIME type settings. As you can see, there is a lot of formats available in here, like SVG, WOFF, WFF2. For more security you can select this option. Now you can copy formats you need from top table to bottom area and paste it, then save it. For example, I add WOFF and WFF2 to bottom area. Now for test the result, we go to media library and upload a WFF file. As you can see, file uploaded successfully. Please like the video and subscribe for more videos.